everybody, we'll show you about two machines. Here's the first one. We put some cups in here, but the cups was too expensive, so we buy the black one because it's less expensive. We have latte, cappuccino, and final. And now we'll show you how to do coffee and milk.
So we'll do the milk now. We put the spout over here and just press the button with the milk. Go. It will heat up. The machine build quality is very much okay. It's there is no feeling the machine is kind of cheap. Delivery was taken only 1 week. It was delivered to my doorstep by DHL. And here, okay, the milk froth. The froth density is controlled by the lever over here. So there's a knob. We can turn it left and right, and then it will be more liquid or more, frothy. So when we finish making the milk,
connect this thingy to the. So we put the milk inside the cup, then we connect this thingy.
I think you can stop it now.
Inside, and
the downside, you cannot get the timer for that. You need to stop it, otherwise it will run for 1 minute. You can stop it now. No, just push here. One time. And now we'll make one coffee, okay? Get it out. Great. Cappuccino. Push here. That's all we need to do. One touch only. So the beans are good. I cannot say it's really loud. I cannot say it's silent. It's okay. We can make double cappuccino at the same time.
So we put some milk first. If you would like milk, you can put some milk. If you don't want, then you just don't put the milk inside the cup. Cappuccino.
This is the heating plate.
Where it's getting even hotter.
Yeah.
So the coffee could be hot.
And now the coffee comes. Also not loud.
Here comes the coffee.
We are making here coffee, right?
There comes the coffee.
Here comes the coffee, absolutely.
You can do some pictures.
So we invited some friends. They tried that. They were really surprised by the taste. It was not worse than in a coffee shop. So the taste is just amazing. The coffee beans are 70% Arabica and 30%
And if you want to
Robusta.
if you want to buy this one or this one, you can buy it.
Yeah, you can buy it. But this I got initially for kind of $300, but then I spent it for capsules. Regularly. This one with delivery cost me $5.75, so under $600 I get this machine. I don't know how it will be in the long run, but let's see. By the way, here you can set different settings for the coffee types. You can put the volume, the temperature, the amounts of coffee and stuff. Yeah, so for different types of coffee. There is a manual coming together with the machine. There is even a counter, by the way. So we like more, Americano and espresso. Let's see, by the way, one espresso. Oops, I'll get one for me. Can you please make one espresso? Espresso, yeah, over there. That's it. The crema on the espresso is amazing. I really enjoy that.
Espresso is the most tastiest coffee.
The most tasty, delicious one. Smells good. There is a buoy here, so if the water comes about, then no, don't stop. Don't stop. So you can see, crema is very much okay. It's not, not thin. I really love it. So what we got here, we got the frothed milk, we got the cappuccino for our beautiful mama, and here is espresso for papa. So everybody in the family is pleased by that. So the size-wise, here is 40 centimeters. As you can see, it's bigger than the capsule machine, but yeah, so it fits the fits the what is that? The shelf quite well. And here are the here is the waste, the coffee. I call them coffee tablets. This is the waste. This is the brewer. No problem so far. And by the way, yeah, the water is installed from the side. The volume is quite high. I don't know how much is that, but I feel it's around 1 liter or maybe 1.2 liters. So it's enough for a couple of days. And you can also control the to make the green of the coffee fine, or to make it more crushing with the bigger pieces. And also there is a powder option, but I don't know why it's here. So if I have the beans, I've never used the powder option. In half an hour the machine will shut down, it will rinse itself. And after the milk is used, after we do this, we need to rinse that. So I just put the cup with the water, and I put another vessel over here. I make the milk option, and then it will rinse with the water. We must do that, so there is no automatic washing after the milk is supplied. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'm really glad I got this machine. So if you are hesitating whether or not to get this, Rooma, I think the model is A8. It's okay, don't worry, and you can buy that. And by the way, this from AliExpress, this was as a gift for us. It was coming with a lid here, but it's gone somewhere. Yeah. So no problems. Go for it. Thanks for watching.